Looks like we got a new trend.
I don't like wigs. I think they look fake. And so I can't stand wigs.
I agree with her 100%.
I don't get it. It's exactly what I say. Is you're essentially putting a hairy hat on. I'm around them, and they have a specific smell.
They stink.
I think they're unhealthy. I think they're unnatural. I can always tell when it's a wig. The edges and even the front, the lacing and all this stuff does not look natural. I think it's horrible. Listen, go and learn how to deal with your natural hair. A lot of people would rather continue to pull their edges as far back as they can through wearing wigs and gluing them down instead of going to learn how to do their hair.
What I'm doing?
Rihanna, you look a hot mess.
A hot mess. I've been trying to tell you.
And I'm serious. That wig looks synthetic. The bang.
Ugly.
Come on now, take that off. You ain't going nowhere with that wig on.
Like
Take that wig off, man.
You're not going.
She really thinks she's doing something. You need to stay here if you're going out looking like that.
He needs some milk.
Yo, they just came like they just came for me.
Your opinion on weaves and wigs? Don't. But weaves, no. If your hair is short, your hair is short. Grow your hair. Or find a nice style that works. You need to be able to go live an active life, sis. Running, hiking, swimming, getting in the pool. And as far as wigs, what the French toast is wrong with you ladies today? Some of you ladies are some lazy people. I have seen more out of shape women with these hair hat helmets. It looks like a freaking helmet on your head. Under there is the truth. And I guarantee you that under there, you don't take care of it. You ain't washing your hair, oiling your scalp, making it smell good. Under these lace fronts, a lot of y'all are living foul. Stank on you. And dudes are tired of it, man. Dudes are just outright tired of it.
I
your
really
real
appreciate
hair,
that.
all
I
of that.
appreciate that.
Yeah.
My man do not want me to wear no makeup.
I was gonna
So some of you women out there mad at Cash Doll now. Not because she said anything wild, just because she stopped wearing wigs, and a face full of makeup. You're calling her a pick-me. For what? Because her man told her she looks better natural and she listened? That's what a woman does, right? The real ones, you see the ones that screaming the loudest, they ain't mad at Cash Doll. They mad at themselves. They mad because they need all that extra just to feel halfway decent. And when a naturally beautiful woman steps out bare-faced, confident, it exposes the truth. Some of y'all only look good with a filter, a wig, and a full glam team. That ain't beauty, that's a disguise. And a lot of not so pretty women are scared of that shit. You see, beauty standards have been hijacked because the ones who need the makeup made you believe you needed it. They convinced naturally pretty girls to wear eyelashes and wigs just to blend in. And if natural becomes the standard again, they know they don't qualify.
Okay, y'all, so I seen this post where someone said that some women do not like other women because they are natural, which is so crazy to me. Like, that is wild, but it is so real because some women do not feel the need to put lashes on, to put makeup on. They're okay with wearing their natural hair, and I feel like that intimidates some people because they feel like they have to go that extra mile just to get all done up. I feel like that women who do not like natural women should be inspired rather than intimidated. They showing you it's okay to embrace the natural beauty, but instead they'll roll their eyes, they'll throw shade, they'll call you basic, call you plain Jane, but it's really because they're deflecting their own insecurities. Just don't put down women who are natural. Just don't.
For a black woman to wear her natural hair, however that manifests itself,
Yes.
to me is a declaration of power and of pride and of love and of identity. I'm just a huge fan of it. I really am. I'm a huge fan of it. Many women that I see with naturals, I go out of my way to tell them how beautiful their hair looks. And just to see their shoulders rise and that smile beam across their face. It's just, I don't get tired of it. I just don't get tired of it. So I celebrate you.
Okay, listen. If you're a woman and you are naturally beautiful and you take care of yourself and you stay fit, you are at the top 1% in my opinion. I will take a naturally pretty woman, and we're not talking like if you got a boob job or, you know, a nose job or something, to each their own, but we're talking naturally pretty, someone who looks good naked and who has natural beauty, who needs little to no makeup. Those women are winning. Now, with that being said, if you want to wear makeup, if you have a lot of plastic surgery, do you. Those women have their place, and I'm not saying that they're bad, but I will take a naturally pretty woman. When I see her in the morning, if I roll over and she's naked and still fine in the morning, when that sunlight hits her, that is top tier, and you can't argue with me. Meaning, if she even tries to put some makeup on, she only needs a little because she's naturally pretty, so if she puts more makeup on, then that makes her look even worse. Natural beauty shows confidence. It shows self-esteem. It shows that you know you look good and you don't need all the extra to try to compete with anybody. I will take that any day of the week. You feel me?
The priceless shade. You can bleach your skin to look fair, but there's no cream, no lotion, no magic formula that can turn a fair skin into that deep, dark, radiant melanin glow.
Your body or a BBL?
BBL. 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 BBL.
Do you prefer natural bodies or a BBL?
Natural bodies. I love natural bodies.
Y'all smoking crack! Something is wrong with you people! What the hell has this world come to?
This is why I had to stop wearing wigs, because wigs tore up my nape and edges, child. Look at how my nape area looked last year. My nape was gone, nowhere to be found, and my nape looked like this for years. And when I say years, I mean like 5 years. I had no hair on the back of my head. Hair just broken off and short. I wore wigs for 7 to 8 years off and on because wigs were my go-to protective low maintenance hairstyle.
This might make the girlies mad, but I would rather like how I look naturally than to destroy my natural beauty trying to keep up with beauty trends. Like cutting my natural edges off so that I can wear wigs, or cutting my baby hairs off to make them into edges so that I can have the big old swoops, or getting false lashes and my real lashes falling out. Like, absolutely not. Okay, I've been at a place where my lashes was thinning and I'm like, and you see they barely anything base, you know, that this is them trying to get back full. Like, I've been in a place where my lashes was sparse because I want to go get the false lashes and keep up with everybody else. Absolutely not. I like how I look naturally. I just wish that more women embraced who they were naturally instead of trying to always show up as a persona, instead of always trying to show up as what society deems is acceptable or is top notch. Because I assure you, if it was top notch, you would not have to destroy your natural characteristics to achieve it. You are pretty naturally. You don't have to do all of that to stand out, you know? Or maybe you do. I don't know. I'm just saying.
Do you know how proud I am of this hair? I used to get perms and all that trash. Let me tell you something. I wasn't going to be able to reach up for like 6 weeks. So I cut it off. And I saw my little nappy hair. I went, there you are, Jenny. So, you know, I do. I want African-American women to know that, you know, your beauty lies in how you were born.
Listen, I can't lie, yeah. I've grown up a bit. I've quit trying to tell black women what to do with their hairs and stuff. I would just say this, black women, when you lot want to return to your natural states, there's a whole bunch of us men here that will be waiting for you lot. Waiting, I'm talking waiting at the door. You don't even need ID to get in. All you need is that hair coming out your scalp. That's your ID. Let me tell you something, yeah. You see, simple cane rolls on a black woman will finish me. Bro, take my money. Take my goddamn money. Simple. Just going back like this. Oh, fam, listen. I was in Nigeria, yeah. 50% of the women I walked past had either bald head, just low cuts, or just that simple cane roll. Blood of Abraham. See, I hear all the bust down, bust up, 19-inch. I don't even know the names they're calling. They're all that stuff. Yeah, it looks great. It looks nice. But let me tell you something. There's a reason why the wig companies are trying harder and harder to make that shit look more real. Because let me tell you some shit. it will never be as sexy as the stuff coming out of your scalp. I don't care if you have 4B, 4Z. I don't care if you have 10W hair. I don't give a shit what kind of hair you got. Nothing will ever be more sexy than that shit coming out of your scalp. And you could take me to the bank. Take me to the bank with that shit. I'm going to tell you right now. Kane Rose, hi. I'm going to take my money. It's finished. I'll buy anything for you want in this life. I know there's loads of guys that feel like this. I know there's loads of guys that feel like this.
Beautiful people know true beauty is natural.
Beautiful people know true beauty is natural.
Wear their naturals proudly.
Wear their naturals proudly.
As a symbol of pride and blackness.
As a symbol of pride and blackness.
As a symbol of responsibility to black people.
As a symbol of responsibility to black people.
A responsibility to promote love and unity among black brothers and sisters.
A responsibility to promote love and unity among black brothers and sisters.
To sum this entire video up, this trend of women taking off their wigs, their weave, their hair extensions, and throwing it into the fire and saying, listen, we are no longer going to participate in this crap. We're going to finally start embracing our natural, getting away from the wigs, the weave, the hair extensions, the fake eyelashes, the buttloads of makeup, the BBLs, the fake breasts. And I can tell you from all the women that I speak to, whether it's public interviews or a podcast or whatever, these women that are natural just seems like they're happier. They're more in tune with themselves and their overall confidence just shines. Let's get back to being natural.
I can see what they're doing, what he's doing. I can see it, I feel it. He's cooking.
God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the f***, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass on.